Shout out the homie Dozer, the drum dealer. It's Sir Diggy, man. Architects, what up? Let's go. I strike with lightning like Zeus, then the thunder ensued. Hopped in the coupe, you the future, found a path and pursued. Salute to the rhyme sayers who develop the roots. Do this music for the gods, will they watch and approve? If not, it's back to the booth for the recluse with the grooves. Y'all got me out here amused, everyone talking about moves. Egos damage and bruise, easy in these small time crews. Y'all wanna act cartoon? Then I'm staging a coup. Brewing boom bap music until my hue turn blue. When I'm buried 6 feet beneath, let the earth consume my spirit. When I'm gone, will you recite my lyrics? Whether I end in the heavens or netherworld, no, you feel it.
God of the gods, and they wanna be involved. This is for everybody who told me I wasn't on. It's too far gone, you can save the excuse. I move like Zeus, they can't do what I do.
Yo, let's get back into this shit like this, ready? Play these songs when I'm beyond the physical. So when I'm gone, I'll carry on, it's critical. This a pivotal moment, I saw the signs and the omens. Rewind this dosage, I'm focused, my mind going towards the pinnacle. Cause I've been soaring like an eagle in the atmosphere. Yeah, I'm high up in the sky, I'm in silence here. If gravity get a hold, then clarity tenderfold. It's back to the agony, a sinner stuck in this tragedy. What the fuck they want out of me? They want me to fade. When my roadmap set in stone, I'm stuck in my ways. Recalling days when you counted me out, now Diggy is doubling down. Don't dial my number when my song is summer, you already late.
God of the gods, and they wanna be involved. This is for everybody.